TransferFlow manufactures the world's finest fuel tank systems for automotive manufacturers, commercial fleets, and drivers just like you who are looking for a quality solution to provide more fuel capacity and driving range. Our tanks offer a 6-year unlimited mileage warranty and the industry's best reputation for quality and service for more than 3 decades. TransferFlow has options to meet every driver's needs. Gain more fuel and more freedom by trading out your original tank with a high-capacity replacement fuel tank system, which can double your onboard fuel. These heavy-duty tanks are custom designed to mount directly under your specific truck, without sacrificing any bed space or ground clearance. Another option is an in-bed auxiliary tank, which offers up to 100 gallons of additional fuel and worry-free operation. Our patented TRAX-3 technology automatically transfers fuel as needed and conveniently displays real-time fuel levels. You just fill and drive. For maximum fuel capacity, install both a replacement and auxiliary tank. If you have other vehicles and equipment to fill beyond just your truck, a TransferFlow refueling tank offers maximum versatility, designed and DOT approved for a variety of fuels: gas, diesel, kerosene, methanol, ethanol, or even aviation fuel. With a TransferFlow refueling system installed in the bed of your truck, you can take the fuel wherever you need it. If you need to carry 2 different fuels, consider our 50-50 split refueler. Unlike other brands, TransferFlow refuelers are designed so you can transport fuel legally on the highway without removing the pump, and our hose purge feature means no wasted fuel and no mess. Add storage to your in-bed fuel system with our all-in-one fuel tank plus toolbox combination. Available as a refueler or TRAX-3 auxiliary tank, many of our toolbox tanks offer added security by locating the fuel fill neck within the locked compartment, keeping your cargo and your fuel completely protected. Durable gas-filled shocks make the toolbox easy to open with one hand from either side of the truck. TransferFlow fuel tanks provide extended driving range, minimal fuel stops, the ability to buy more fuel at the best price. We have dozens of tank systems to meet every driver's needs, and all of our systems come complete with everything you need for installation and use. Every TransferFlow fuel system is made in America from only the finest materials, such as American high-yield aluminized steel and aluminum diamond plate. TransferFlow systems are legal, safe, time-tested, American-made, and guaranteed. You can install the system yourself or visit one of more than 300 installers nationwide. Best of all, you can rest assured you're buying the finest fuel tank system available from a company who will be there for you before, during, and after the sale. Generations of drivers rely on TransferFlow fuel tank systems, and so can you. Find and purchase the right fuel tank system to meet your driving goals by calling our friendly and helpful experts at 1-800-442-0056 or by visiting transferflow.com.